Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I wanted to share an updated eyebrow tutorial. So if you like this look, then please continue to watch.
Stop your feet, I just wanna stop your feet. Everybody now, stop your feet, I just wanna, oh yeah,
Using the eyebrow spoolie, I've gone ahead and shaped my eyebrows in place. And after that, I'm just going to go with probably the Benefit Eyebrow little pomade and fill in my eyebrows. Recently, I've kind of transitioned over to the pomade. It's called a cream colored gel, just because it's easier to fill in the eyebrows, and also it's so much better than some of the other products that are out there on the market. This is just really nice, the way that you grab the product on the brush, and then once you start applying it onto your eyebrows, it's not too much, it's like the right amount. So yeah, I like this product. If I don't have that much time to do my eyebrows, then I'll go ahead and use the eyebrow powder by Kate Von D. And the color I use is Graphite. It's in this black color, a soft black. And I will use the Kate Von D eyebrow brush with her powder. If I am using the Eyebrow product, I will use the Benefit, I don't know what it is, there's no name on here, but it's just their little individual eyebrow and spoolie. So for today's tutorial, because I want to show you guys my updated eyebrow routine, I'll probably just, I think I'm just going to use the Benefit Eyebrow because that is what I usually use. Unless I'm short on time, then I'll go in with a eyebrow powder. That's a mouthful, by the way, but I'm just going to go ahead and use the Eyebrow and demonstrate that for you. So I just took a very gentle amount. One is all I did, and I actually just went in because I did it off down here so you guys didn't see it, so I dipped it twice. But just taking that product, starting from right here. If I need more, I'm just gonna take a little bit more on the brush, and I'll take about one, and I'm going to go ahead and outline where I want my eyebrows to be, like the shape of them. So that's what I'm basically doing, is I'm outlining and creating the shape that I want first, and then I'll go in and fill them back in. So I start from here with very light hand. I don't go in with a heavy hand. If you are someone that goes in with a heavy hand, just try to use a little bit less pressure when doing your makeup. And you can already see like what a difference that made, this eyebrow here versus this one. And I've already only placed a little bit of product. And then as you're going along the way, you will have to start like kind of getting it back into shape, just because sometimes they'll go out of shape. This mirror is so heavy. It's not light at all. I got it from Home Goods. It was like a decor find. I just placed it on the table back there just for decoration, but it's really heavy. I wish they made a light version of this. That's a good amount, and I think I'm gonna stop for there. I'm gonna come back in now and start to fill in the first part, the beginning part of my eyebrow, just a little bit more with whatever product is left on the brush. And then I'm gonna go in again, dip again, grab the product, and now I'll take the brush and I'll turn it so it's basically like this, and start to flick in upward motions. The same thing I'm going to do on this side of my eyebrow. So that looks good. However, this area right here needs to be a little bit better filled. Then after this, I basically just go ahead and I set them in place. I know some artists, they just like wait till your whole makeup is done and then they'll set it with an eyebrow gel. But I just like to do it before, and then you can also go back and do it in again. If you do it before your eye makeup, then the only thing is that if you need to go in and fill it in, it becomes a little bit hard because your eyebrow hair it's basically set in place with gel. So you know how gel hair gets, it's a little bit crunchy. But you can always just kind of go in and do it with a lighter hand if you need to fill it in later. But for today's purpose, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it in with the eyebrow gel. I'm using the Benefit Ready Set Brow Gel. And I basically take it, so the wand itself is flat. You just have to turn it, and it's flat that way as well. So you turn it this way, and then you start to set it in place. So taking it, turning it, and then in upward motion, set it. And now make sure that you also apply extra eyebrow gel in your arch so it doesn't come down later throughout the day. So make sure you just put a little bit more extra there. Upward motion and like so. That's basically my updated eyebrow routine. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my makeup off camera and then I will be right back.
Stop your feet, I just wanna stop your feet. Everybody now, stop your feet. I just wanna, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Alright loves, I've gone ahead and completed my makeup. I hope that you like this eyebrow tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs this video up, and follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Love you. Bye.